John Osborne here. Let's do the FX educational outlook for June 2nd, 2017. This morning we had non-farm payroll at 8:30 and it was a miss. So we were not surprised to see the indices heading lower and bonds and gold heading higher. As far as the rest of the markets, let's go ahead and look at where we are. In the pending bullish area, you can see we're still waiting to break above this trend line that we can break above to go higher, and that'll get us more bullish. But we are starting to look more and more bearish as time goes on here. So I'm not sure if we want to continue watching this as a pending bullish or switch over to a pending bearish, but we'll just leave it there for now to see what happens. With the euro pound, which we've been watching as bullish, we can see this nice move following it and a break above the previous 87500 line. So watch for that to head higher potentially. Euro US dollar, same thing, broke above the 1.1269 or 629, and it's moving higher. Now in the pending bearish category, we still are waiting for a move lower on the US dollar loonie, and you can see we broke above this recent pivot here, the 1.35339, so we're still waiting for that to reverse and come lower. But now we're starting to see a little bit of bullishness here on the indicator, so I'm not sure where we're going to go with this one. I might end up moving this one into consolidation. We'll leave it here for one more day. For the US dollar yen, you can see we were in this little bit of a consolidation waiting for a break lower. You got a nice move lower here. So we're watching still for the break at 110.233. For the Aussie Swissy, we've definitely been moving lower. And this is on the break of the 0.72413 line. And we're on our way down to the 0.70312. And with the pound yen, you can see we went up and we were wondering if we are going to break above this resistance trend line here. We didn't think it looked like it would. We ended up getting a stronger move back down on the MACD histogram, and we dropped pretty good there. So watch for this one to head lower. Our first target is going to be the swing pivot. Let's pivot right here with a low of 141.469. And with the pound loonie, this one we're still bearish, bouncing off the 200 line. It's bouncing in between the 200 and the 50 moving average exponential lines. So this one might move into a consolidation state, and we might do that at our next video. And then also in our bearish state is the US dollar Swissy, which is definitely dropping following through. The notable thing about the dollar Swissy is that it did break this trend line that we were looking at, and look what happened when we broke through. We just rocketed right through it. So the trend line break point was about 0.96630, and if we find that over here, 0.96630, it's right in this area here. So it's pretty much right at this break point here. And we had a nice drop with lots of strength moving lower. So watch for this one to continue lower on its way down to 0.95485, which is our next pivot low. And then we could move all the way down and lower here. So let's see what happens with that. And that'll do it for today. Make sure you click on my picture so you can subscribe to my videos, and there's also a link for looking at the most recently uploaded video. Hope you have a great weekend, and until next time, have a great day.